Be passionate, be joyful, be innovative. These are the 3 DNA of VSHR Pro Academy. Every team member is DNA. We're flooding with this 3 DNA. Why? Why do we choose the DNA? And this is the opportunity I want to explain to you why these DNAs are so important and how it's related to our recruitment process as well too. So let's get started. In VSHR Pro Academy, we are in B2B business and we are helping other companies to solve their HR problems. Different industry, different size, different depth of problem, and different level of seniority as well too. We have a lot of data, we have researches, we have models, we have tools, we have frameworks, but however, what we do is not easy. It's a very compound and challenging thing what we do to solve HR solutions for HR problem. So that's why we always, the first DNA is about passionate. As we do something really challenging, so we always been highly passionate about solving this HR problem. You use this first DNA to strive forward and solve those HR problem. So now, as it's something really challenging and it's something we want to solve it through our passion. So during the process is about, it takes long time to find a solution, build a solution, and it takes hours of expertise and experts and challenge to implement a successful solution for HR problem. So during the process, we use our second DNA, being joyful. We enjoy every moment, what we do, because every time we're implementing the solutions and solving problem, tackling with this problem, the things is happening to us is about we are going to the next level in terms of our expertise. We're pushing our boundary, we're pushing our limit and becoming a better expert in our team moving forward too. So now, as we are solving those complicated and compound problem, HR problems for the companies too, so we don't want to be just using passionate and we just want to be just only doing joyful, but we also be very much using our third DNA, which is about innovative. We're constantly innovating every day. We're always looking about an innovative way to solving the problem, solving our solutions, our products, innovative way to bring the right people in the company, bringing the right people in the right place. We're working with the right customers, helping them to solve their problem in a more innovative way moving forward too. So that's why this is our 3 DNA of VSHR Pro Academy. Be passionate, be joyful, and be innovative. So during the hiring process in VSHR Pro Academy, we always look for passionate talents who have a strong desire to be superstar. So if you are looking this video and you are to be a superstar in your career forward, go ahead and check the link of this video. There is a link there to join our team, drop your CV, and definitely myself or other team members or leaders will love to have a conversation with you.